Hello everyone, Carputing here. Today I'll be installing and reviewing the Mustang UPR flat headlight knob in satin billet finish. I bought this from LMR.com. This review is not sponsored or endorsed. This product is available for currently at the time of recording $17 US, and there are no tools required to install it. All that's needed is the Allen key that's included. I really like this product for the simple reason my stock headlight knob has an absolutely horrible clip design, and this knob is actually possible to get on and off in a normal way. Another thing I like about this knob is instead of a polished finish, it has a satin finish which will collect fingerprints a lot less. Since I was getting a couple other bolts and bits off LMR, I thought I might as well get this. Once again, not sponsored, but just want to shout out LMR.com for taking care of us SN95 owners with all the little bolts and bits that other sites like American Muscle typically don't carry. A little tip, if you're having trouble getting this stock clip off, take 2 pairs of pliers and pry gently from the top outwards on each side and it should come loose. To install it, once you have your old headlight knob off, simply slide this one on and tighten the Allen key. The only thing to be mindful of is make sure you're tightening the Allen key onto a flat part of the metal shaft. And as usual, thank you for watching. I'll leave a link to the part in the description.